Okay, guys, so what I'm going to show you today is basically how to send a message from some code to your actual phone. Okay, so I'll just show you this working. So I've got the terminal up on the screen. Already wrote my code, which is sendmessage.py in Python. I'm going to run that, okay? And as you can see on the phone, there's going to be a message that pops up. Okay, so that has just come from Twilio. Okay, so that is basically my code is sending a message to my phone. All right, so the tool that we use for this is called Twilio. So it's a really cool little bit of software, and basically you can get a free account for this. You don't have to pay for it. If you want to use more advanced versions, you can sign up and basically get more kind of messages. It's like a phone sort of bill. So the more messages you use, the more it will cost. It costs. It's really cheap to use. So don't worry about spending too much money. You get about $8 to start off with, so more than enough to make some applications. So what you're going to have to do when you log in is basically sign up for Twilio. So if you go to the Twilio account, so you're going to want to sign up, as you can see on the screen, twilio.com/login. If you've not signed up, you can sign up for free. Okay. So just jumping back to this, what you need to do first is come to this page, Twilio Python in GitHub, and basically what you can do is Pip Install Twilio. So that's a dependency that is required. Okay, so there's a few ways to do that, and then this is a test script. So once you've signed up to Twilio, you're going to get an account number and a token. Okay, so that's going to be on your dashboard, and then basically all you've got to do is copy and paste your account code and your token, and then from there we'll be able to start linking this to our projects that we're going to make in the future. So the Raspberry Pi projects, we could possibly have something where you would trigger a sensor with the Raspberry Pi, and then it sends you a text message. So that's something we could do. There's so many applications. Like if you had some kind of blockchain technology that you were tracking, so you might be tracking the price of Bitcoin, and if it hits a certain point, then it could send you a text message. You could create some app like that. You could create some kind of smart home. So if you're basically when your cat or dog enters the room, you could have a sensor to sense that, and it lets you know. And any kind of application to this you can think of would like you can code it. Okay, so it's really super useful. All right, I hope you found that useful, and yeah, see you on the next one.